Hello students, welcome to English World. Learn better by best experience. This is Heman Nabdya, English educator at SBM Sharda Vihar Bhopal. Today I am going to teach you lesson number 4 from Flamingo, that is the rat trap. So listen carefully and try to understand fully. Lesson number 4, the rat trap by Selma Lagerlöf. Before starting lesson, we should know about the introduction of the lesson. The Rat Trap, written by Selma Lagerlöf, is a story about a peddler who sells rat trap, and one day he is trapped in the trap of bird by a bait. The trap of material benefit that most human beings are prone to fall into. Author has given a theme that the essential goodness in a human being can be awakened through understanding and love. The story is set amidst the Sweden mines. The story is told in the manner of a fairy tale. Here we have some key points to understand the whole lesson. Peddler who went around selling small rat traps, but the business was not especially profitable. He was vagabond, sad, and led monotonous life. He was struck by the idea the world is a big rat trap. This world set baits for people to trap them easily. The world, of course, had never been very kind to him. He went to grey cottage to ask for shelter for the night. Owner of the cottage gave him shelter and hospitality. The old man had been a crofter at Ramsjö, Ironburg. Now he had cow and recently received 30 kroner. They played Majolist, the game of cards in Sweden. Next day they got up early and they said goodbye. Peddler came back to cottage and took the money. He felt pleased with his smartness and went to boats. He was lost in the boats and caught in trap by a bait. Peddler went to iron mill to take shelter for the night. Ramsjö mill was owned by a prominent iron master. The iron master came on visit to watch the work. Iron master identified him, one of his acquaintance. He offered invitation to peddler to come home. He said Elizabeth is dead and 2 boys are abroad. Bill Manson came to pursue and took him home. He was well groomed and about to join breakfast. The iron master recognized him and his mistake. He threatened peddler to call sheriff to arrest him. Peddler stopped peddler for sharing Christmas cheer. Peddler did not cause any trouble except sleep. Peddler came down to eat Christmas fish and porridge. Peddler gave him her father's sweet suit, a Christmas present. Next morning, iron master and daughter went to church. Adler learned that crofter had been robbed by peddler. They came to house and asked about the peddler. He had gone and left behind a Christmas present for Adler. Present contained a rat trap, 30 kroner and a letter. He thanked Adler, asked to give back money to crofter. He became a good person like Captain Von Stell. Let's come to the explanation of the lesson. We can start with the introduction of the peddler. Peddler was a man who went around selling small rat traps of wire. He made them himself, but the business was not especially profitable, so he had to resort to both begging and petty thievery to keep body and soul together. For him, the world was nothing but a big rat trap, because it offered riches and joys, shelter and food and so many things exactly as the rat trap offered cheese and pork. And as soon as anyone let himself be tempted to touch the bait, it closed in on him, and then everything came to an end. The world had never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it. One day he went to a little grey cottage to ask shelter for the night. There he was not only welcomed, but also he was given supper and hospitality. Host, the crofter, also told about the recently he received 30 kroner by selling cow milks. Next day, both woke up early in the morning and went on their own way. But after half an hour, peddler came back to crofter's house. He thrashed the window pane and took the crofter's money, and went towards the forest. There he was lost in the woods and trapped by a bat. The bat was crofter's money that he had stolen. Later he went to the iron mill for the shelter for the night because it was winter season. There he was recognized by iron master as his friend. He was invited and taken to manor house, but he refused. Later, iron master's daughter Edla Bilmanson persuaded him and took him to manor. At manor house, when he was about to attend breakfast, his real identity was recognized by iron master, and he threatened him to hand over to Sereb, but his daughter Edla stopped him and told him that he must stay with them to celebrate Christmas Eve. He was given kind hospitality by Edla. Peddler was very happy with the hospitality given by Edla. Edla also has given him father's suit as a Christmas gift. On the next day of the Christmas, when he was asleep, Edla and her father both went to offer their prayer at church. There Edla came to know that he had robbed the crofter. Then they drove back to the house to catch the peddler. First they asked about the peddler, whether he is available or not, or he went away. Then the housekeepers told that peddler left the house and he has not taken anything. Okay. Instead, he left behind a trap, letter and 30 kroner. In that letter, he wrote that thanked to Edla for her kindness, sympathy, hospitality. He also wrote that give back 30 krona to the crofter whom he had stolen. He thanked Edla and told that now he had changed and now he became Captain Bonestell. Here we have summary and extracts. So go through the summary and extracts to score full marks. Finally, we have question answers. So go through the questions and their key points to write answers properly and score full marks.